begun disassembly of the left-hand rear fender, and I wanted to show how it's assembled. You can see on this side there's a crimp right here that's folded over this way. It's folded over onto this panel. See, if you see, there's an edge here which goes into the slot, and then the metal is folded over. So in order to take these pieces apart, I needed to uncrimp that edge, which I'm still doing over here. You can see I started down this edge here to about right here, and I stopped so I could show what I was doing. I made this tool, not much of a tool. It's basically just a piece of key stock, and you can see I ground a wedge into the one end of it. And then that wedge goes down into the, hard to do this and hold the camera, it goes into the between the crimp, and then I can take a hammer and I can hammer it down. You can see where I've hammered this all the way around the other side, so I've deformed the tool a little bit. But you can see I've been going down this way down it, and I'll work my way all the way around the edge and open it up and take this piece out, just like I did the back piece. And then to crimp it back together, I'm just using a pair of vice grips. So this was my solution to get the fender apart. And I actually put a crimp, you'll notice, on both sides the opposite direction, so that I can go either direction on the fender by just flipping the tool around. Right now I'm using this edge because it seems to be working better for me in the direction I'm trying to go. So just thought I'd let you know and show you my solution to what I was trying to do. Thanks a lot.